Okay, Road America, the GR86. We're just coming round to the start. We got Eric, who was behind us, but he does seem to be in front of us at the moment, who races in the Community League. And we're gone. Okay, so we didn't get a very good start, did we?
Are you going to wreck me again right here?
No, we didn't get a very good start. We've got the slipstream though, which helps. We'll try and hold the inside.
Car on your left.
If we'll be able to or not, I don't know.
Stay on the right. Still there.
Somebody's off.
Clear. The next car's the leader.
Oh dear. Looks like Eric's got by.
Oh, sorry.
We'll take the proper line.
Second dude you took out. Pretty sorry what?
Oh dear.
No, man, that one's not intentional, man.
Sounds like people are having fun behind, doesn't it? Blimey. Okay, so we've lost the spot.
You're out of the game for 1 week now. You will be banned.
Oh dear. Everyone thinks they can get people banned, don't they?
You're breaking 50 meters before, man. What the fuck are you doing?
Well, I hadn't sort of meant to make that move, but it just seemed to happen. We seemed to have
You're on the left. 3 wide.
the advantage on the braking, didn't we? And then someone's made a mess of that corner.
You've got to have at least 12 incident points already. Well done, the white cat. Well done. It's easy to win the races like this. Hitting the people.
Okay, where are we? 8th. So we made up a few spots. Back on the power. Have we got the grip? We have. Eric is behind us. He's got the slipstream, same as us. Let's see if we can cling on then. Let's keep it steady. There's quite a lot of door banging in this class, I've found. I don't know what it is about the GR86. It's relatively easy to drive. I think that encourages people to get their elbows out a bit. There's not a lot of slipstreams. It is hard to overtake, so people just bash into people to get by, I think. Anyway, we're still in the slipstream, just. You can see it doesn't have a lot of effect.
38.854. You're in the top 10.
People are all spreading out ahead. I don't know if it's better coming down to 3rd there or not. I think so. I didn't do that very well though. Let's let Eric catch up, and I've dropped back, haven't I? Let's see if we can close up. On the brakes, maybe. But they're getting away. They did all look to be tripping over each other through that. Yeah, somebody's going.
Right side.
Bloody hell.
Stay on the left.
All over the place.
Still there.
Problem is it lets others come through, doesn't it?
Clear. Left side. Stay on the right.
I'm going to have to grip. Just.
Still there.
I had to back off though.
Stay on the right.
Bugger.
Clear. Car on your left. Still there. Clear.
Okay. Well, after all of that, we sort of managed to keep 8th, which is where we were, wasn't it? I'm not quite sure what was happening there. We all got a bit frantic.
Minutes to go.
What happened to Eric? Is he still there? Can't see him. He's been shuffled back, I'm guessing. Yeah, let's see if we can catch him on the brakes again.
8-2.
Yeah, it feels like I'm slowing too much coming down to 3rd, but you get the drive coming out, so I don't know if it's better or not. Those behind all over the place.
Car right.
He made a mistake there, didn't he?
There, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Clear. Left side. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear
Oh.
on the left. Still there, hold your
Ran
line.
into the back of me, didn't he? I mean, what's he doing? Trying to drive me off the road, is he?
Clear.
That's what it feels like. What are you doing, Javier?
Car on your left.
Definitely a basher, isn't he?
Still there, hold your line. Keep to the right. Still there, hold your line.
Hold it together, guys.
Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Yeah, not impressed with that. Not impressed with that at all.
Right side. Keep to the left. Clear. 33.02. Car right. Stay on the left.
Still there.
Keep to the left. Keep to the left.
Still there.
Stay on the left.
And I've got the inside.
Still there, hold your line.
Whether that's going to be enough or not, I don't know. But he's very keen and he doesn't seem frightened of banging into people.
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right. Car 7 is now.
Okay.
There's an incident behind. You got it.
Wow,
Car on the
nice
right.
move, bro.
Just stopped ahead.
Someone off ahead. Okay, 6th now then. But we're a fair way back.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
He seems very keen to hit people, doesn't he? I don't know why he's doing that. Doesn't seem, he seems incapable of driving without hitting.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is seconds. Car on your left. Still there. Hold your line. Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Yeah, I'll leave him to wrestle with the others, I think.
Five minutes to go.
Let's go, Alex.
Well, we got past. Did a lot of damage to us, though, I think.
We got damage on the front end.
Yeah.
32.6.
Damage all over, I think.
Just set your fastest lap of the session. Car 3 has taken the lead.
Oh, he's on the grass. I'm just seeing my mirror. Those two behind are fighting. They're all fighting behind. That might help me. Just get away. I'd like to get away. Oh, they're all banging into each other.
Can you guys just wreck each other and not take the rest of us out?
And they have. We were lucky not to get caught up in that. Someone's just been smashed into the nether regions. Javier, I think. He ran into the back of somebody, I think. Just want to get away from him if I can. Yeah, he's off. Thank God for that. Pleased about that. Oh my goodness. What a crash fest, eh? Well, I don't think we're going to catch the people ahead unless they start really, really battling. I think the people behind, I've probably got enough now. I think. I've said that before. Take my line now. Slow car on the right. Somebody's off.
Go right.
Okay, made up another spot. That has brought those behind a bit closer, hasn't it? Nearly within a second, actually. Okay, white flag. Let's just focus then. One lap, got a second. Is that enough?
30.771. New fastest lap for you. You're in fifth.
Oh, I thought I was going to get a slow down then. That would have been a disaster. They're getting closer, aren't they? Sergio hasn't done a clean lap yet. He hasn't got a lap showing on the top left, has he? It's closed up there. Oh dear, they're closing in, aren't they? I'm not going to give him the inside. Did he hit me? I keep getting hit by people. I mean, I was parking at the apex and just getting out, but you can't just run into the back of people, can you? Is that giving me enough? Might have done. I don't know if I'm slow in a straight line now. Might be.
You're losing on the car in front. The The gap is 6.7 seconds. You got a slow car on the left.
Okay, somebody else has gone off then.
Car right, clear.
There's no way through that. Okay, well, have I got enough?
Good racing, guys.
Still there.
Don't think I have. No, I haven't. Bugger.
Still there, hold your line.
That's a shame. 6th. Okay then, here's the start. So we got away okay.
Definitely a minute. from the
Just
beginning.
missed a little bit really, didn't we? Didn't get as good a start as I'd hoped. But anyway, what that was happening then. So this is the front lot. So just a bit of a touch. Oh, no, oh gosh. So that was a leader. You're on pole and you get taken out in the first corner. That's just what you want, isn't it? Now what we got? Behind. Okay. Oh, bloody hell. What the hell was that? Oh my God. Well, oh, it's all happening, isn't it? Blimey. So, yeah, I mean, that was very, very ambitious, wasn't it? Where was he going, eh? People are just diving, aren't they? Blimey. Now, what have we got? 3 together, so I think I was behind this lot, wasn't I? Yeah, I was lucky to get through that bit. That was good. Now, what have we got? Oh. Well, he did sort of leave the door open for the yellow card, didn't he? Again, is this the lead group? They're all banging into each other, aren't they? Oh, dear. There's me just behind the Texaco car. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Late defence, I think, into that corner. Oh, dear, dear, oh, dear. Then we got through, didn't we? I think I must have just been hit there then. And this is him just coming across. Just like... Just bash, 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 wasn't he? I don't know where he wanted me to go. I was turning as tight as I could. Yeah, what a great driver, eh? And so I got up his... Oh, where... Who the hell was that guy? I've seen some dive bombs. There was a lot of dive bombs, weren't there? And this is the people behind. So they're just bashing into each other. I was hoping that they'd all hold each other up, but not quite enough. Okay. They're still banging. And again, are they going to do it in the braking zone? Yeah, just smashed him off. Nice. Nice, well done. Unbelievable. Is this the lead group again? Oh, oh, oh! Hard luck, mate. I think we come through here, don't we? I think we just come through. Yeah, there we go. And then... So I braked really hard. Okay, so he got hit, tagged behind, and then he went into me. Okay. Wow. That was terrible, wasn't it? Blimey. So that was top split. Goodness, yeah. Took a big safety rating hit. Got some high rating, so I guess we got something out of it. And we got pipped on the line, didn't we, by Sergio? Very disappointing. Best lap for 2:30.7. The leader did a 2:30.2, 2:31, 2:31. So the times weren't fast. Best lap 28.7. So that time was fast. He was really quick. I think this was the guy causing some of the problems, was it? And who was it who was hitting us? Xavier, he got disqualified, yeah. Disqualified because he must have had too many incidents, 18 incidents, yeah. Yeah, not surprised. He was a right menace, wasn't he? But the dive bombs, never seen something like that for ages. Good, yeah, well, I enjoyed that. I thought that might make a good combo. Not sure it's good for saturating. I was hoping to get above 3, but we'll have to try somewhere else for that. But yeah, good fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.